What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm glad to be back, and I know it's been a while since I last uploaded a video, but if you had a chance to watch my last video, I did my first giveaway, so stick around to the end because I'm going to be announcing the two winners. Today we're going to be installing some LED backup lights, and I want to first give a huge shout out to the guys over at Auxito for hooking me up with these lights. They're awesome. I've had them on my truck now for a few months, and I can't say enough about them, and soon you're going to find out why. So here, as you can see, we have the Auxito LED reverse backup lights. So let's go ahead and get started on the install. For this install, the only tools you're going to need are a 5/16 socket bit and a socket wrench. So let's go ahead and get this tail light taken off. Alright guys, now that we have both bolts taken off, you're going to notice right here you're going to want to grab on this part of your tail light on the back, and then on the front, right there in the center, and just go ahead and pull towards you. You might need to use a little force, but once you pull it, it should come right off. And there you have it guys. So you're going to notice on the back we have two connectors, a brown connector, and then on the bottom we have this green connector right here. And that's the one we're going to want to focus on because that's the one we're going to be replacing the LED bulb with. Alright guys, so now that we have the light off, go ahead and disconnect the brown connector and the green connector. And keep in mind this green connector right here, this is the one we're going to be replacing the LED bulb with. So go ahead and just set the light off to the side, and let's go ahead and get that LED bulb installed. Alright guys, so now that the right side is done, let's go ahead and take care of the left hand side. And if you have a tailgate assist installed on your truck, you will need to remove the bottom part to get to that bottom screw. But if you don't have one, then the process will be the same as the other side, so let's go ahead and get this finished up. Alright guys, so as you can see, pretty easy to replace those lights, but now let's go ahead and check out the final product. guys? So as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, again, I want to go ahead and give a huge shout out and a thank you to the guys over at Auxito. These LED lights are awesome. And if you want to pick up a pair, I'm going to leave a link in the description. So go check them out. I promise you won't be disappointed. I also want to thank you guys for helping me out. In the beginning when I started this channel, it was just for fun. And now we're at 243 subscribers. So thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. Like I mentioned in my last video for my first giveaway, I wanted to go ahead and announce the winners now from the last video, so I'm going to go ahead and put them up right here. And if you won, go ahead and message me or DM me on Instagram at truckswithty, and I'll get in contact with you so I can get those prizes out to you. Hopefully we can do this again soon sometime, but until then, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.